We will start the next part of the chapter 9. First we will first give you the solution of your homework. So I am giving you the solution here. The first sum was number A, 39 by 65, and you have to reduce it. As I can see, 39 and 65 only be divided by 13. So by dividing it by 13, 13 3s are 39, 13 5s are 65. So this will be 3 by 5. This is my answer. Number B is 25 by 125. So as I can see, the last digit is 5. We will always divide it by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5. Now dividing 125, what we get? 25. Okay, that is dividing 125 by 5, I get 25. Again I am dividing this 1 and this will be 5, that is 1 by 5. If you have any problem in dividing 125, you can see and you can do it on your rough, and you can see that you will get 25 answer. That is, here I am dividing 125 by 5. Okay. Number C is 96 by 110. The numbering can be different. I don't remember whether it will be B or it will be C. So 96 by 11. So we are going to divide it by, as I can see, we can divide it by 2. So first we will try to divide it by 2. So dividing 96 by 2, we get 48, and this we get 55. Now we cannot divide this number anymore. So this is my answer. Now last 100 by 200. Now as I can see, this number can be divided by 5, 4, 2, any number, but we will simply do that. We will cut these zeros and we will write half. This is the easiest way. Okay, we will not divide by 2 or 5 or anything. We will just write this number. Okay, now going to the next portion where we will learn about the fraction, and we will compare the fraction, which one is the largest, which one is the smallest, and we will arrange them in ascending or descending order. So let us take an example, an easy example, where I am taking half, 1/4 and 1/8. Okay, this is my fraction and I have to arrange them in ascending order or descending order. First we will find the largest and the smallest fraction, that is, among them I have to find the largest one and the smallest one. Now as I can see, there are two methods. The first method I am going to teach you right now, and the second method I will tell you after that. The first method is, as we can see that 2, 4 and 8. Here 8 is a multiple of 2 and 4, means by multiplying 2 into 4 I get 8. Again by multiplying 4 into 2 I can get 8. So here 8 is multiple of 2 and 4, right? So what I have to do, that see in here we have the numerator same. All that fraction, half, 1/4, 1/8, they have same numerator, 1, 1 and 1. But their denominator is different. As I can see, their denominator are different, right? One is 2, another one is 4, another one is 8. So what I have to do, that I have to make the denominator same. Okay, I have to make the denominator same. As I can see that 8 is a multiple of 2 and 4. So we will try to make this fraction, that is half and 1/4, equal to such that the denominator become 8 for both two fractions also. That is, I have to multiply 2 with certain number and 1 with certain number, which will make the denominator 8. Okay, so as I can see, 2 can be multiplied by 4 because 2 into 4 is 8. So if I am multiplying the denominator with 4, I have to multiply the numerator with 4 also. So it will become 4 by 8. Again 1/4. As I can see, so I have to multiply some number so that it will become 8. So I have to multiply 2. 4 2s are 8. So this is the number. Okay. Now 1/8. That is, it's 8 itself. So I have to multiply with 1. So it will give us this. Now see, we are not multiplying anything because we have 8 in the denominator itself. So first, as we can see from this fraction means 4 part of 8 parts. So means we are taking 4 parts of 8 parts. Here we are taking 2 parts of 8 parts. Here we are taking 1 parts of 8 parts. So we are taking more parts here, right? This is the largest one, right? Because we are taking the 4 parts out of 8. Here we are taking 2 parts out of 8 and we are taking only 1 part. So this will be the smallest. And this is the largest. Now, when we are going to write the answer, we will not write this fraction. This fraction is not true. We will write the actual fraction. Okay. So, for the actual fraction, half is largest and 1/8 is smallest. Now, the same thing they can ask you to write them in ascending or descending order. So, if they ask you to write in ascending order means small to big or small to large. So, small is 1/8, then this is smaller than 1/4, this is smaller than 1. This is in ascending order, okay. This is greater than 1/4, this is greater than 1/8. So, when they ask you in descending order, so in descending order means big to small. So we will write the biggest number first, descending order. So the biggest number or the largest number first, then 1/4, then 1/8. So this was the ascending order and this is the descending order. DESCENDING. Descending means large to small and ascending means small to large. They can give you this sum in different way. Now, if we don't have this number, means the number which are not multiple of each other, then we have to use another method. Okay, we have to use another method which is a little different, but for this sum also, this kind of sum also, we can use the second method. Okay, we can use the second method for this kind of sum also. See this sum here, 5 and 8 are in the denominator. They are not multiple of each other, so we cannot multiply some number to get 8 and we cannot multiply some number to get 5. So what we have to do, we have to find the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of 5 and 8. As we can see, this is a co-prime number, so we cannot get any common factor between them, and this will be 5 into 8, that is 40. So what we have to do here, this is important, that is we have 5 in the denominator, so we have to make it 40. Okay, so to make it 40, we have to multiply, means we have to make the denominator 40, that is the LCM. So to make the denominator 40, we have to multiply some number with 5. So as I can see, we can multiply 8. 8 5s are 40, right? So we have to multiply the numerator with 8 also. So the fraction is 8 by 40. Next I am going to 2 by 8. So I have to get here 40. So to get 40, I have to multiply 8 with 5. Now as I am multiplying with 5, I have to multiply the numerator with 5 also. So I get 10 by 40. So as I can see, this is 8 part of 40 parts and this is the 10 parts of 40 parts. So this is 10 is larger than 8, right? So when the numerator are equal, denominator are equal, when the denominator are equal of a fraction, we will compare the numerator. First we will make the denominator same and then we will compare the numerator. So 10 by 40 is greater than 8 by 40. Now we will write the actual fraction, that is 2 by 8. This is the actual fraction, this is greater than 1 by 5. So okay, so this is the largest and this is the smallest. Now taking another example, we will try to do this with the help of LCM. we can do the previous sum with the help of LCM, because I can give you a little hints about that the fraction was like this. So if I want to use the LCM method, so we have to find the LCM of 8. So by taking the LCM of 8 of LCM of 2, 4 and 8, we will see the LCM would be 8. So what we have to do, we have to do the same thing, that we have to make this fraction, that is half and 1/4, such that the denominator will be 8. To make the denominator with 8, we have to multiply them with some number, and the sum will be just like this one. Okay. Next, I am taking another example. Here I am taking this number. So here I can see that 20, 15, 5, means 5 can divide 15, it can divide 20 also, but we will use the LCM method because that will be easier. Okay. So LCM, this I get this. Okay. 5, 3 and 4. So we will simply multiply them and we will get 60. 60 is our LCM. So what we have to make? We have to make the denominator of each fraction 60. So I have to multiply 20 with some number so that it will be 60. So I know 20 into 3 is 60, right? 20 can be multiplied with 3 to get 60. So I will multiply the numerator also. So this will become 3 by 60. 2 by 15. So 15 into something, 2 into something, that will gives us 60. So 15 into something, that will gives us 60. So if you remember the table of 15, so 15 fours are 60. So I will multiply this also, this will become 8 by 60. Now 3 by 5. I have to multiply some number with 5 so that I get 60. Now if you remember the table of 12, 12 5s are 60. So I write 12 and 12. So this becomes 36. As I can see, the denominator are same for these three fractions. But then by comparing the numerator, I get 36 by 60 is greater than 8 by 60 and is greater than 3 by 60. Okay. So 36 by 60, that is 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 15 is greater than 1 by 20. So this is the largest and this is the smallest, and I am writing the number in the descending order. Now if they ask you to write the number in ascending order, the question from your book, page number 92, they are asking you to write the number in ascending order. So you have to write the smallest number first, that is 1 by 20. Then this is less than. Descending means big to small, and ascending means small to big. So this is the smallest number. So this is smaller than 2 by 15, and this is again smaller than 3 by 5. So this is my ascending order. Okay. And this one that I have written here, this is the descending order. I will show you the last portion. Hope you can see, that is 1 by 20 is less than 2 by 15 is less than 3 by 15. Okay. This is the ascending order. Girls, this is your homework. Okay. You have to arrange them in ascending order. The first set is given as 1 by 12, 2 by 3 and 2 by 18. Second one is given as 7 by 9 and 3 by 11, and third one is 5 by 6, 7 by 18 and 3 by 4, 24. So you can use any method, but here as you can see the denominator are different, so we will use the LCM method. Okay, the last method that I have taught you. Okay, this is your homework. Then we will proceed to the next portion.